Welcome back, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, your digital classroom, where you will get the necessary help for your total English, text, grammar, writing and spoken English all in one. Today I am here with another type of discussion for you. Lots and lots of HS students cannot manage their English before the examination and naturally fail to pass the HS examination every year. This is the reality. But why does it happen to the students? It happens because they don't know how to read the subject, how to make a plan to meet the challenge. They lose their path and get lost. This year too, a lot of you are already panic-stricken, are already afraid of English, are shuddering, trembling. Some of you are repeatedly requesting to make something for you. They need the right guidance, right suggestion. If they get it at the right time, they can make good result without any trouble. This is the high time for you to do something positive, something constructive. It is the end of October and you are going to spend almost 1 month from now for the puja time celebration, and in December your test examination, and in February or March your final examination. So calculate and see how you can manage your English in this time period and score good, honorable, prestigious marks. Now I will discuss the matter in a simple and easy to understand language. I will give you some other tips also from time to time. So keep the channel subscribed. Our day's topic is how to manage your English within this short time. Now come, see your syllabus and marks distribution scheme. The total marks for this paper are 100. It is divided into two parts, literature part 50 and non-literature part 50. First see the non-literature part, 50 marks, project 20 marks, grammar 10 marks and writing 10 marks, and unseen passage for 10 marks, total 50 marks. Project for 20 marks, almost every student gets full marks for the project. So there is nothing to be afraid of the project section, the project work. Now grammar section, the grammar for 10 marks, you know, very easy grammar, very easy grammatical items like narration, voice, joining, splitting, transformation, articles and abbreviations and corrections. These are the grammatical items which you have been reading from class 5 or 6. Naturally, this part is very easy for you and you will get 10 marks out of 10, I'm sure. Now come to the writing part. Writing part is for 10 marks, précis or reporting or formal letters. Use formal letters, it is easy and you will get huge marks. Now unseen passage for 10 marks, very easy passage is given always. The questions are easy also. Read the passage and the questions with patience and attention, and you can answer every question to score very good prestigious marks. So the non-literature section, that is one half of the paper, is managed. For this, project 20 marks and grammar 10 marks, writing 10 marks and unseen passage 10 marks. So total 50 marks are under your control now. You are not afraid anymore, I think, are you? Give some time regularly every day and see the wonder. You can't imagine what you can do, but regular practice is necessary. Discipline and regularity are the two essential parts of a successful person. So be regular and disciplined in your works and life. Now the literature section. This section has 50 marks, you see, and this section has, you know, 3 parts, prose parts, poetry parts and drama parts. Prose parts for 20 marks and poetry part for 20 marks, and the drama part is for 10 marks. Okay, now prose section. Prose section. Now see, the section has 4 prose pieces for 20 marks. Okay, and the prose pieces are the eyes have it, the eyes have it, strong roots, thank you ma'am, and 3 questions. From each and every prose piece you will get 3 types of questions: MCQ type of question, essay type, short answer type of question, and broad answer type of question. From each and every prose piece you will get questions for 9 marks. From each and every prose piece, remember this. So MCQ for 1 mark, and short answer type question for 2 marks, and 1 broad answer type question for 6 marks. 6 marks, together 9 marks for each and every prose piece. This is the division of the marks. For this 9 marks, for this 9 marks, for this 9 marks, and for this 9 marks. 1 for MCQ, 2 for short answer type questions, and 6 for essay type questions. The 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9 marks for every prose piece. The poetry section has 4 poems, on killing a tree, asleep in the valley, shall I compare thee, the poetry of earth. Okay, from each and every poem, you will get 3 types of questions: MCQ type of questions, short answer type of questions, and broad answer type of questions. For 1 for MCQ, 2 for short answer type questions, and 6 for broad answer type question, or analytical type of question, or a descriptive type of question. Together 9 marks. From every poem you will get 1 plus 2 plus 6, 9 marks. 1 for MCQ, 2 for essay type, short answer type, and 6 for broad answer type question. Now the drama, the proposal for 10 marks. It has 4 MCQ type questions for 1 mark each, and so together 4 into 1, 4 marks, and 1 broad answer type question, 1 into 6, 6 marks, together 10 marks. MCQ 1 into 4, 4, and broad answer type question 1 into 6 into 1, that is 6, together 10 marks. So this is your syllabus. And writing section is there: precede writing, reporting an event, or letter writing, formal or business. This is your syllabus. Now see the question pattern and the marks distribution pattern. Prose for 20 marks. This section has 3 types of questions. MCQ types of questions you have already learned, short answer type of questions, and broad answer type of questions. MCQs, 4 questions of 1 mark each, so 4 into 1, together 4 marks. Short answer type questions, you will get 8 questions. Out of 8 questions you have to write 4 questions of 1 mark each, so 4 into 1, together 4 marks. And broad answer type questions, you will get 4 questions, each question from each prose piece, and you have to write 2 questions of 6 marks each, so together 2 into 6 is equal to 12 marks. 12, and 4 plus 4 plus 12, together 20 marks. This is the question pattern and marks distribution pattern. Now see from each prose piece. What you get. See, type, MCQ type, number of question you get, and marks for each question, and total marks. See, from each prose piece you will get MCQ question 1 and 1 mark for each question, together 1 into 1, 1 mark. And short answer type question you will get 2 pieces, 1 mark each, so 1 into 2, 2 marks total. And broad answer type question total question will get 1 and 6 marks for each question. So 1 into 6, 6 marks. So total marks for each prose piece. Remember this, total marks for each prose piece are 9. So total marks from 2 prose pieces. If you take 2 prose pieces, you will get 9 into 2, 18. So 20 minus 18, 2 will be remaining left. So if only 2 prose pieces are studied, only 2, then 18 marks will be covered, but no question will be there for the remaining 20 minus 18, 2 marks. Remember this, if only 2 prose pieces are studied, 18 marks will be managed, but no question will be there for the remaining 2 marks. Remaining 2 marks, it will be discussed later. Okay, remember all these points. Now the poetry section. Question pattern and marks distribution are like those of the prose section. From every poem you will get MCQ type question, 1 piece, 1 mark each. So together 1 into 1, 1 mark. Short answer type question you will get 2 pieces of 1 mark each. So 2 into 1, 2 marks. And broad answer type question you will get 1 piece of 6 marks each. So 1 into 6, 6 marks. So total marks for a poem, 1 poem, are 9. So if you read only 1 poem, you will get question for 9 marks. So if you read 2 poems, if 2 poems are studied, 9 into 2, 18 marks will be managed out of 20. But no question will be there for the remaining 2 marks. Total marks 20. And if you read 2 poems, 9 into 2, 18 marks will be managed and 2 marks will be left. How these 2 marks will be managed will be discussed later. Number 3, if you can't read the drama, think. Some students are thinking the drama is so hard and too big. So if you can't read the drama, memorize only 5 or 4 questions, 5 or 4 ready-made questions. You can then manage 6 into 1, 6 marks. You will get 1 question common and you will manage 6 marks. But the remaining 4 marks, no question will be there for the remaining 4 marks. Okay. Now see, reading type, marks managed, marks not managed. Prose, 2 pieces of prose, total marks 18 managed, and 20 minus 18, 2 marks not managed. 2 pieces of poetry, 2 pieces, total marks 18 are managed, 9 into 2, 9 marks will be managed from 1 poetry piece. So 2 pieces of poetry for this 9 into 2, 18 marks, and 20 minus 18, 2 marks will be left unmanaged. And drama, 1 question only you will get common if you memorize 3, 4, 5 ready-made questions. Then you will get 1 question of 6 marks. So 6 marks will be managed, and 10 minus 6, 4 marks will remain unmanaged. So 18 plus 18 plus 6, 42 marks are managed if you read 2 pieces of prose, 2 pieces of poetry, and 4 or 5 pieces of ready-made question answer from drama. And the unmanaged marks, if 2 more prose pieces are studied, 2 questions of 1 mark each, then 2 marks will be managed. If 2 more pieces, 2 not 1, 2 more pieces are studied, then 2 questions of 1 mark you will get, and 2 marks will be managed. Imagine 2 prose pieces for 2 marks only. If 2 more poetry pieces are studied, 2 questions of 1 mark each you will get, and 2 marks will be managed. 2 poetry pieces you have to read for 2 marks only, and for the rest 4 marks if you want to manage these 4 marks from drama, you have to read the whole drama, line by line, bit by bit, word by word. You have to read if you want to manage these 4 remaining marks. So total 2 plus 2 plus 4, 8 marks will be managed if you read 2 more prose pieces, 2 more poetry pieces, and the whole drama. Okay, so start right now with 2 prose pieces, The Eyes Have It and Strong Roots. These 2 prose pieces are from the Indian writers, so these will be easier for you for the Indian concept. And start with 2 poems. On Killing a Tree, this is from an Indian poet, you know, and it is easier for you for the Indian concept. Other one is either Asleep in the Valley or the Poetry of Earth. Okay, and 4 or 5 pieces of ready-made questions from the drama. So start right now with 2 prose pieces, 2 poems, and 4 or 5 pieces of ready-made questions from the drama. 2 prose pieces are The Eyes Have It, The Strong Roots, and 2 poems are On Killing a Tree and Asleep in the Valley or The Poetry of Earth, and 4 or 5 pieces of ready-made questions from the drama. So total marks to be managed this way are prose 18, poems 18, and drama 6, total 42, and project 20, grammar 10, unseen passage 10, and writing 10, 50. So 42 plus 50, 92 marks will be managed if you read only 2 poems and 2 prose pieces and 4 or 5 pieces of ready-made question and answer from the drama. Okay, but after this, if you want, if you like, if you have huge energy, read the rest of the syllabus for the remaining 8 marks. No problem. 2 prose pieces for 2 marks. Read if you can. What's the problem? These 2 marks will be managed, and 2 poetry pieces you have to read for 2 marks. If you have the time, energy, power, read 2 more poetry pieces to manage these 2 marks, and you have to read the whole drama to manage these 4 marks. So 5 pieces of works for the total marks of 8. Can you imagine? For 8 marks you have to read 1 whole drama and 2 more poetry pieces and 2 more prose pieces. I give this plan for those who want to manage the English syllabus tactfully well. If you like, you may have your own plan, no problem. Everything is for you, for your help. Work regularly, and if you have any problem, write to me in the comment box and you will get your answer. Keep my channel subscribed, then I can give you necessary suggestion and tips from time to time without any trouble. Stay subscribed, stay tuned, stay attached. Thank you. Share this video with your friends and classmates. I'll soon come back with some new lessons for you. Thank you very much for your patience and participation. See you soon.